Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add an image as your signature in your Outlook account. So as you can see, I already have my Outlook open up here. This is the email that we are going to be adding a signature to, right? So when you open it up, just want you to come to new mail. Click on new mail and then this should open up. Now I want you to come to signature here, right? And then click on signature. And then this window should open up. As you can see, it's adjustable there, so open it up. Now I want you to, if it's empty, if you didn't have any signature, it will be empty, right? So now I want you to click on new, right? Click on new and then you can give it a name. So this one I'm just going to give it a.Kandor, right? So with this you can give it whatever name you want, right? So just click OK, right? As you can see, it's now added here, right? So you can come on this, you can choose to whatever email you want to. So if you have 2 or 3 accounts, like in my Outlook I have 2 accounts, so as you can see they are appearing here. So you will have to choose in what on what email you want this signature to appear on. So I want it to appear on this one, the first one. So you can come in here and then choose if you want it to appear on your message. Once you open up a new message, yes, and then if you want it to appear on when you are replying to your email as well. So I want it to appear to that. That's the signature that I want, right? So now you can come in here, right? You can add, this is where you will add your email, whatever you want to add in your signature, right? So the first thing that I want to add here, I just add to apostrophe, right? And then I want to come down here and then just write kind regards, right? Kind regards, typing there, and then I want to come down. Then down here I want to add an image, right? So I want to add an image, so I want you to come to here, these icons here, right? Click on that and then that should open up this window here. So I just want to browse through my computer. I know the image that I want to use is in here somewhere, currents, and then I want to Marvel, then I want to scroll down. This is the image that I want to use. So just click on that and then you can click on insert, right? So now if you scroll down, you'll see this is the image that I design up, right? That's your image there. And then as you have that, just click on, right? You can save that, right? And then just click on OK, right? Click on OK there. Now I want you to close this off and then as you can see, start over. Now I want to click on new mail, right? As you can see, it's now appearing there, right? Perfect, you got that. So yeah, that's how you add a new signature to your Outlook account. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, then please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.